Right, hello, it's the £1 game again today, and today's the unboxing of the Sky Broadband 2022 Hub. So, as you can see, it's already been opened. This is not the first time I've recorded this, so hopefully this time this will go as planned and with no hitches. So, as you can see, there will be a strip around here, and then around the back, cardboard strip that you have to peel off. Unfortunately, mine won't come off, so I had to use a knife. So there will be a slight indent in the box inside. So what you get inside is two boxes. See if I can zoom that in just right. Okay, so you'll open it like this. So just like a flap. Get two boxes. One box is bigger and the other box is smaller. So a big box and a small box. And in the big box, you'll get the hub. In the small box, you'll get the cables. Hopefully, you'll get two internet cables and one power cable. So, if we do the hub first, the main event. So, inside, you'll open it, and you'll see the Sky Hub box, or Sky Hub router. Front and centre, black and quite large, and on the top you'll see the shiny Sky insignia. On the bottom you'll see four lights. Now if you can see these, you've got the power indicator, the internet, the Wi-Fi, and there's a new one called voice. So with this router you will be plugging your home phone into this router, into the back, and using it through the internet. So it'll be Wi-Fi calls instead of going through the wall. And then on the bottom or on the back, you get the internet jack, the phone line. So if you're in the UK, you'll plug in your phone line cable here, and then in Italy and Ireland, you'll plug your phone cable into here. Next, it is the 12 volt DC in, and then you get four WAN internet connections. So this is where you'll connect your possibly game console, your computer, your smart device, so Hive Hub or base station. Anything that's wired instead of Wi-Fi will go into here, or an extra router. And then next to that is the reset button. Then on the bit dirty. And then on the left hand side, right hand side, you'll get the WPS button. So this you'll hold down for 5 seconds. And then on the device you want to connect over Wi-Fi, you will accept the connection, so you don't have to put in any passwords, and it will connect seamlessly. So hold this in for 5 seconds, and then you're hopefully connected. That is a more secure way of doing it as well. And then nothing else in the box. So the size of it is quite thin, but it is quite wide, and obviously in the bottom you have the ventilation. Excuse me. Right, if we put that to the side, and there you go, put that to the side. And then go to the cables. So this is the cable box. Sky Broadband obviously on one side, and a few things you'll need to set up your Sky Broadband Hub. So, and then connect to the things you love. And then Sky Ocean Rescue, 100% single-use plastic free. So, if you open up, you'll see straight away the Sky Broadband or Sky Hub power cable. And then on the right side can see the quick start guide by the looks of it. Let's see. Yep, and the quick start guide. And then the warranty. So let's have a quick look at the quick start guide. Okay, so your activation date. So your hub won't start working until the date you see on the box. It can be any time up to midnight. So the activation date that you've been told, the activation can happen anytime that day. So my date is the 3rd of October. So the internet can activate from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So from 12 AM to 12 AM that day. And what you get in the box, obviously you get the Sky Hub. So you can plug this in without it being activated. It will just activate straight away. And if you plug it in after it's been activated, it will take about 5 minutes to activate if everything's working properly and all it should be. So you get in the box the Ethernet cable, the power cable, and some paperwork, which is what we're looking at now. If you can see that. So the Ethernet cable will go into the yellow ports which I showed you. So they will go into here. And then Wi-Fi name and password details. So find the box that looks like this. So to connect, you'll find a box that looks like that, with 4 lights and 2 cables. So optical network terminal, ONT, is what you'll be looking for. So ONT power cable, which will be close to a plug socket, and the fibre cable. And then the Ethernet 4 port, also marked WAN, or WAN, will be plugged into the ONT. And then obviously the warranty information, and then inside you get the plug, which is quite big, but hopefully it won't, it won't block up any other plug sockets. So it'll be going in like this instead of like that, and it's just a normal barrel jack. And then the Ethernet cable. And that is all that's in the box. So once my internet is all up and running, I will be doing a setup video. So this is basically what you get. The hub, as you can hear, it's quite hollow, and let's zoom in. You get the Ethernet cable, and you get the power adapter, which is right there, and that's all you need. So hopefully this has helped you to know what's in the box, and hopefully it will help your decision to who to go with. So thank you for coming, and thank you for watching, and hope you all have a good day. £1 Gamer out.